We just make sure everybody knows this is not our baby. Surprise! Hi. Hi. Are you ready? High five. Yeah!
This is Zach.
Hi, everybody. This week is special.
We have my little cousin Leo here with us.
Hi, Leo. Leo is our cousin. He's not ours, although he is pretty cute. And he's hungry because he's starting to eat real food.
Yes, he's starting to eat solids. He's a really good eater.
How many months is he?
7 months.
So Leo's 7 months, and this is the time where he's being introduced to all sorts of new foods.
So a lot of people are always looking online for ideas to feed their babies, and some new moms are a little bit hesitant on what to feed them. So we're going to make some recipes today and see what Leo thinks.
What he thinks of them. Good time of year too, because we have lots of fresh ingredients, right? Things like fresh peas, wild blueberries, and then bananas, which are year round. So 2 different things we're gonna make?
Yes, first we're going to make pastina with fresh peas and the Laughing Cow cheese. And then we're going to make some banana blueberry pancakes.
And what's important when you're cooking for a baby? I guess you gotta have some tools, right?
So just like when you're blending things, I would just use a little bullet blender. So something like this. It's just a little inexpensive tool that makes everything so much easier for blending.
Okay, we better hurry up because this kid looks like he's ready to eat.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go. I will entertain the baby.
Okay.
Hello, child. What are you thinking? What's up? Are you pooping right now? You letting out a little log?
First, we're going to make the baby pastina. We're just going to boil some of that. You don't want to give them big pieces of pasta yet because they're still learning how to chew and swallow. And I'm going to put the peas in at the same time as the pastina. These are fresh peas that we shelled. In the winter time, you can use frozen peas. So cooking time on this is about 5 minutes, but we'll cook it for a little longer to make it softer.
Do you salt the water for baby pastina?
No, but there is a little salt in the cheese, so we'll have flavor when we mix it in. So I'll put a little bit in his bowl and then like smash it in there. A little pasta water.
Formaggino.
Do you like this little Formaggino cheese? Oh, I haven't had these in my house for a long time, since the kids were babies. So we're just gonna mix the cheese in. Make it creamy for you. I'm gonna smash the peas. Oh, this looks so creamy and delicious. Ready, Leo? You ready to try? Oh, there you go.
It's right there we go.
How's that?
Yum.
Was that good? Oh, are you eating pastina? Is it so yummy? I don't think he knows. He's not sure about the peas. Let's make you some pancakes. So 1 egg, 1 banana, and a dash of cinnamon.
So egg and banana so far, and cinnamon.
Yeah, maybe we put a little more banana in there.
More banana?
You gonna mash it up? He's just watching.
It's like
He's
taking
such a
it all
good
in.
boy. Is that so yummy? Oh, much better. You like the sweetness. So satisfying when a baby eats and likes the food. Am I going too slow now? Hurry up, lady. Why are you going so slow?
Get over here. Come on.
We're gonna get mom in here.
Having a baby's a lot of work.
It is.
It is a lot of work.
lot going on.
Yes.
For the babysitting.
Hey,
Appreciate it.
hey.
Thank you for bringing Leo
You did
in
so
to be our
good, buddy.
special guest.
So he liked the sweet more than the more savory today.
Yes.
Yeah.
But you got egg in there, you've got banana, you got wild blueberries. You did great, buddy.
All good things. What a good eater. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you to your personal chefs.
Hey.
You can visit us anytime.
Yes, as you get bigger and you start to eat new things, we'll bring you in for some taste testing.